In this video, we will be replacing the interior light bulbs in this 2022 Hyundai Sonata with all new LED bulbs from Ayla Lighting. For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool and a flathead screwdriver. Begin by using your trim tool to make a gap in the cover. Then use your screwdriver to pry it free. Slide the light out. You can see how there are locking clips on the sides and a tab towards the front. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Replace the cover by putting in the tab side first and push the side clips up into place. Now we'll repeat those same steps on the other side. Remove the incandescent bulb, replace with the LED bulb, and test it. Push in the tab side first, then push up to secure the side clips. You can see the huge difference between the LED and the original bulb. When we measure the light output with our light meter, we measured the LED more than 4 times as bright as the incandescent bulb, a clear difference for your map light. For this installation, you'll need a flat trim puller tool. Begin by flipping down the sun visor. Use your trim tool to pry free the side with the switch. Pull the assembly down and you can see how the locking clips hold it in place. Rotate the incandescent bulb until the ends are vertical and you can pull it out. Replace with the LED bulb. Rotate the LED bulb until the chips are facing down. Push the side of the assembly without the switch in first, then push up the other side and test it. You can now repeat those same steps on the other side. When compared to the OEM bulb, the LED is much brighter and a cleaner white light. For this installation, you'll need a trim puller tool. Begin by using your trim tool to pry free the cover. You can see the different size clips holding it on. You need to pry free the cover on the side with the smaller clips. Pull the incandescent bulb from the socket and replace it with the LED bulb. Make sure the LED chips are facing down and test it. Turn it on for white and turn it off and on again to change the color. Replace the cover by putting in the large clips first and use your trim tool to gently guide the smaller clips up into place. You can see the huge difference between the LED and the original bulb. When we measured the light output with our light meter, we measured the LED at almost 5 times brighter than the incandescent bulb. A clear difference in white or blue. For this installation, you'll need a flathead screwdriver. Begin in the trunk. Insert your screwdriver into the gap on the side of the light to push in the locking tab and pry it free. Pull the assembly down and you can see how pushing in the locking clip will free it from the car. There are 2 more locking clips holding the light together. Insert your screwdriver into the back and release each clip. You'll now be able to take the light apart. Rotate the bulb until the tip on the end is vertical and pull the bulb out. Replace with the LED bulb and rotate it until the chips are facing down. Push the cover back on until it locks. Push one side of the assembly in first and then push up the other side. When we measure the light output, the lux of the LED is more than 10 times brighter than the incandescent bulb. A huge difference to light up your whole trunk.